All right, guys, here we go. We're going to start in about 1 minute on break number 2. Break number 2 is fast break number 2.
Tangerine flavored pre-workout tastes like in tangerine LaCroix. Yeah, not good. I've spent the last several days making this nice slate countertop for my vanity. After days of that, I drilled a hole off center.
Let's go. Good luck, everybody. 3 boxes of fast break. Seems to go pretty fast by the pack. Correct me if I'm wrong. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. 2 rookies to start off. Precious, Devin, and Devin again. 3 rookies in the first damn pack. Here we go. San Antonio Spurs in this one are going to be Wes Ackerman. Congrats, Wes. Thank you so much for joining. Devin Vassell Disco. Can't go wrong there. That is for sure. Auto in the second pack. Probably why there's no... JMU. Do we know who that is? Man, I'm going to feel stupid because I don't know who that is. Jeff Mullins. Okay, that's why, because I don't even know who Jeff Mullins is. Jeff Mullins disco autograph. He's going to end up with the Golden State Warriors. Going to Kevin Bedini. And an Anthony Davis disco insert to start her off. I'm going to start with a purple, and it is not a rookie. Pink, actually. I apologize. KCP for the Lakers, number to 50. KCP, number to 50 for the Lakers. Tommy Rush, you got the Anthony Davis and the KCP to 50. Nice job, Tom. Denny rookie. Sekou, second year disco. Is that a thing? Can I say second year disco and have it be a thing? Probably not, right? And in back-to-back breaks, we will pull one of these LeBrons. Congrats. Tommy Rush again. We will get a, what are they calling these, I said? The Kobe tribute dunk card or something? Kyrie Irving disco insert. Got a blue. Aletsky. And it is not, unfortunately, a rookie. Devin Booker. It is a nice one. Number to 175. Phoenix Suns. Devin Booker. Paul Cunningham. Daniel Otoro and Aaron Gordon disco. Kyle Lowry disco insert. Got a purple. Not a rookie. Nico Mannion rookie and a purple Clint Capella. That goes to I think he's Atlanta on here. Yep, Atlanta Hawks, number to 75. Going to Uggs High. Cassius Winston and a Caleb Martin disco. Ooh, rookie. Oh, yeah. That's a variation. LaMelo Ball, variation disco. Charlotte, Kevin Badimi. Congratulations, Kevin. That's going to be a good one. That is going to be a good one. LaMelo Ball, variation disco rookie card. For a second there, I thought the first box wasn't going to be hot. Then we hit the LeBron, then we hit the Melo. Now we got a red. Good luck. Mo Bamba red. We'll go to Orlando. Troy Chamberlain. Rookie of Theo Maledon. And a Gary Harris disco. There we go. These are beautiful. Giannis Antetokounmpo, 2012 disco insert. Going to Milwaukee. Justin Kneebone. Get that thing sold, Justin. Those are the ones you got to sell early. Jamias Ramsey for the Kings rookie. And a blue bubbles of Bogdan Bojanovic. He's on the Kings. Ryan Van Hook with the Kings hit. LaMelo number 2 and a Josh Jackson disco and a Zion base. So, Kevin Badimi, you are on a roll. LaMelo base and a LaMelo variation disco. Gorgeous stuff. And we are still in box 1. No wonder this stuff's $1,000 a box. Disco KG. And our silver is Montrezl Harrell, and Tyrell Terry is the rook. Rookie of Onyeka Okongwu and a purple of Jordan Nwora. Wow, I didn't even see the rookie logo. That's numbered to 75, and that's a rookie for the Bucks. Very nice card. I think that's Kneebone, right? Justin Kneebone, Nwora rookie purple disco. Gorgeous card. Absolutely gorgeous card. Rookie of Sadiq, Jeff Teague disco. Rookie of Isaac Okoro and a Kawhi insert. Tyrese Maxey rookie, first one of those in the first 5 boxes, and a D'Anthony Melton to 175 for the Memphis Grizzlies. Elijah Hughes rookie and a Jaylen Brown disco. Disco insert of Giannis. Rookie of Cassius Stanley. And a red. Have we not hit 3 colors from the same case of this guy? I think we have. Tyler Hero. Rookie disco. Obi Toppin. Beautiful card. And a Russell Westbrook downtown. Obi Toppin, New York Knicks. Walt Kaufman. Back-to-back breaks with a good card. Congrats, Walt. Obi Toppin. I'm going to guess that's a variation, but I don't know. Rookie of James Wiseman. Beautiful. And a Steven Adams. Back-to-back breaks with a Steven Adams base parallel. That's strange. Ellaby rookie and a Montrez Disco. Kyrie Disco insert. Skylar Mays rookie and a Jordan Poole Disco. Well, we got another one of these guys, and I think it's this guy. Let's see. It sure is. Kevin Durant. Who's our rookie? Killian Hayes, rook. Kevin Durant Disco 2012 insert. Silver Disco. For the Brooklyn Nets. Troy Chamberlain. Congrats, Troy. Got a purple. TJ Warren. That's going to go to the Pacers to 75. And a Zion. Second year Zion Prizm. Rookie of Tyler Bay. And a Cassius Winston Disco rookie. Let's go to Washington Wizards. Rob O'Neal for Kieran. There you go, Kieran. Hope all is well, my dude. And there's our autograph. Good luck, everybody. Azubuike rookie. Come from the back, Steven Adams. There is a LeBron James Disco insert. Woo! Fearless, baby. Fearless, fearless, fearless. LA Lakers doing well. Tommy Rush. And let's sweat out this auto together. Milwaukee Bucks. Can it be? Brooke Lopez. Brooke Lopez. Justin Kneebone. Last pack coming up with box number 2. Good luck, everybody. Silver True rookie, here we come. Desmond Bane rookie, and your rookie's going to be Jalen Smith. Very nice. True Silver Rook. He goes out to the Suns. Paul Cunningham. Last box of this break. Then we will go into the 5-box break of football. 5 boxes. Good luck, everybody. Kira Lewis rookie and a Russell Westbrook Disco. RJ Hampton, and our auto's coming early. Auto's coming early. Last auto. DGR. Not D'Angelo Russell, I can tell you that. Devontae Graham. Can't go wrong with Devontae Graham. He's pretty good this year. He is on Charlotte as well, so Charlotte continues to crush Kevin Badimi. Congratulations on another hit. And our insert was another Giannis. Another Giannis Bubbles. Nope. Corbin, the Optic 5 break box is next. Not a rookie, unfortunately. Red, Royce O'Neal. 125 to the Utah Jazz. Utah's got a bunch of crap. Like little stuff. A Kwanglu rookie and a Klay Thompson Disco. Sadiq Bey rookie and a John Morant Fireworks Disco parallel. Got a blue Disco. It's not a rookie, unfortunately. Let's see what team we got. We got Dallas. Can we get a Luka? J.J. Barea. Man, J.J. Barea. Dallas. Gotta be kidding me. Dallas going out to Donald Jones. Rookie of Okoro, rookie of Maxi, and a Goran Dragic. Disco. Woo! There it is. The rich get richer in this break, I'll tell you that much. Tommy Rush, LeBron James Disco 2012. Wow. I bet you right now that's a huge card. This is the kind of thing that won't stay high long. Get those listed, man. Elijah Hughes and a rookie purple. These are low numbered. Let's see what team we got. Ooh. It's got to be Tyrese. Yes, sir. Tyrese Maxey purple to 75. Bobby Nichols, baby. There you go. Tyrese Maxey. 70 of 75 purple disco. Back-to-back breaks calling your name. That doesn't happen often. Congrats, Bobby. Cassius Stanley and Mark Gasol. Onyeka Okongwu, rookie disco. And Jason Williams, insert for the Kings. Red, not a rookie. Ivaka Zubac, back-to-back breaks with a color Zubac. That does not make sense. Set is huge. Disco of Joe Harris. I think he's still in the Brooklyn uniform there. Rookie of Ellaby and a downtown disco Zion. Silver rookie. Why not? Jaden McDaniels. Nice. Minnesota Timberwolves. Richard Coleman. Two rookies, Desmond Bain, Skylar Mays, and a Josh Richardson. And it still says Sixers, even though he's been on the Mavericks for ages. I mean, months. Months he's been on the Mavs. Jamal Murray. Jamal, get better soon. Yeah, we got some bigger stuff. We got a Lamelo variation disco. Killian Hayes and a Jonas Valanciunas blue. That's going to go to the Memphis Grizzlies. Here's your recap, kids. A couple LeBron parallels. I mean, this was a nice case. 3 boxes, actually. Jaden McDaniels silver. Onyeka disco. Tyrese Maxey to 75. LeBron disco. 2012 insert. Devonta Graham auto. Jalen Smith silver rookie. Brooke Lopez. LeBron James disco insert again. Cassius Winston. Durant disco insert. Wiseman. Obi Toppin. Nwora purple. LaMelo. Giannis disco. A LaMelo variation disco. LeBron. KCP to 50. Jeff Mullins. And a Devin Vassell disco. Thanks so much, guys. We'll stay live and we will do football momentarily.